Hello, today we are going to be learning how to groom a cat. We have a few supplies here, one of which is a metal comb. It also doubles as a flea comb if your cat has flea problems. We have a bristle brush to go back over after we're done with the metal comb. And we have three kinds of wipes. Dental wipes for the cat's mouth, eye wipes, and ear wipes. I would recommend starting to groom your cat when they are calm. Mine was not, but by simply petting them and talking in a soothing voice, you can greatly reduce their anxiety. We will start the grooming with a metal comb. Its purpose is to tease out the knots in the cat's undercoat that it could not normally reach. This is a short-haired cat, so it only needs to be groomed about once a week. But if it was a long-haired cat, it would need to be groomed every other day. Be sure to use the metal comb only on the cat's back and sides, since its stomach is a very sensitive area. Once you are done with the metal comb, go back over with the bristle brush to remove any loose hair. The bristle brush is safe on the cat's stomach, and it will not irritate them that much. The purpose of removing hair is to reduce pet dander in the house and also take away hair for them to lick up to reduce chances of them choking on a fur ball. Your cat may be a little bit more belligerent for this part, so you may need to wrap him in a blanket. First, we will start with our ear wipes. We must do a check of the ear to make sure nothing is wrong. The ear flap should contain a layer of hair on the outer surface with no bald spots, and the inner ear should be light pink with no discharge and little to no earwax. Simply take the wipe and rub the inner ear, not too deep, and this will help prevent ear mites, ear infections, and blood blisters brought about by debris and bacteria in the ear. Next, we will move on to our eye wipes. We must also do an eye test to make sure nothing is wrong. Watch for discharge, watering, red or white eyelid lining, crusty gunk in the corners of the eye, and tear-stained fur. Simply rub the wipe on the outer edges of the cat's eye and not actually in the cat's eye. This is used to prevent conjunctivitis, keratitis, glaucoma, and retinal disease. We will now move on to our dental wipes. Check the gums for dark red lines along them, red and swollen gums, mouth ulcers, pus, and excess drooling. Simply rub the wipe in a circular motion on the teeth and gums until you are satisfied. This helps prevent gingivitis, periodontitis, stomatitis, salivary cysts, and mouth ulcers. This wiping should be done at least once a week. Now he's free to go. Good for him. Next, we will move on to bathing. First, you are supposed to put cotton balls in the cat's ear to prevent moisture getting in and bacteria from growing to cause infection. Then you must put a towel or pad on the floor to prevent them from slipping and hurting themselves. I used a different cat this time because this one is less likely to claw my eyes out. I'm showing this clip to prove a quick fact. That cats hate baths. Since real cats weren't really working, we're moving on to the stuffed variety. We're still going to put cotton balls in the ears and a pad on the floor. And every guide says that to only bathe your cat when he's feeling calm, and you can't get much calmer than this. Notice that we're using specifically for cats shampoo. Human shampoo can greatly irritate a cat's skin and dry it out very much. Wet the fur and lather. Make sure not to get the shampoo in the face though. Once you have lathered, it's time to rinse off. Now to clean the face, wet a washcloth and just dab around. And we're done. After the bath, make sure to dry off the cat with a big towel, since we know that cats don't like to get wet. And now you have a clean cat.